When it comes to affordable and reliable wristwatches, Timex has long been a trusted brand. The Timex Men's Easy Reader watch is a testament to their commitment to quality and functionality. With a simple yet elegant design, this watch offers excellent readability, a comfortable stainless steel expansion band, and a useful Indiglo nightlight feature. In this review, we'll take a closer look at its key features, performance, and what customers have to say about it. Design and build quality. The Timex Men's Easy Reader watch features a 35mm silver-tone brass case, which strikes a balance between being noticeable and maintaining a classic, understated look. The white dial with full Arabic numerals ensures that the time is easy to read at a glance, making it particularly useful for individuals who prefer a no-nonsense watch face. The day and date window at the 3 o'clock position adds an extra layer of functionality, making it a practical choice for everyday use. One of the standout aspects of this watch is its silver-tone stainless steel expansion band. Measuring 18mm in width and fitting wrists between 6 to 8 inches, the band is flexible and comfortable, making it an excellent choice for individuals who prefer an easy-to-wear watch with no clasp hassle. Unlike many other watches in this price range, the expansion band offers durability and a secure fit. Ease of use and functionality. One of the primary reasons many buyers opt for the Timex Easy Reader is its unparalleled readability. The large numerals and clear contrast between the hands and dial make it one of the easiest watches to read, even in low-light conditions. For added convenience, the watch features Timex's signature Indiglo light-up dial, which ensures clear visibility in the dark. Setting the time and date on this watch is straightforward but can be time-consuming. Some users have noted that adjusting the date requires multiple turns of the crown, which can be a minor inconvenience. However, once set, the watch keeps time accurately and requires minimal adjustments. Water resistance and durability. The Timex Men's Easy Reader watch has a water resistance rating of 30 meters, 100 feet, meaning it can handle splashes or brief exposure to water. However, it is not suitable for swimming or bathing, so users should be mindful when wearing it around water. While the mineral glass crystal offers some scratch resistance, it is still susceptible to wear and tear over time, especially if used in rough environments. Given its price, this is expected and can be managed by taking proper care of the watch. Performance and customer feedback. With an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 19,972 global reviews, it is clear that customers appreciate the Timex Easy Reader watch for its affordability, ease of use, and classic aesthetic. Here are some of the most notable customer impressions. Many buyers praise the watch's readability, highlighting the large, bold numerals that make checking the time effortless. The Indiglo backlight feature is highly appreciated, with one customer mentioning it's helpful for checking time during nighttime activities. Some users enjoy the nostalgic appeal, noting that the watch reminds them of classic Timex models from the past, including those worn by their grandparents. A few customers have minor complaints about the date adjustment process, stating that it takes longer than expected. Some noted slight inconsistencies in the Indiglo lighting coverage, with a small section of the face remaining unlit. However, this does not affect its overall readability. The stainless steel expansion band is generally well received, though a few customers found it slightly tight initially, requiring some stretching for a more comfortable fit. Price and value for money. At just $40.60, the Timex Men's Easy Reader watch is an excellent value for money. It offers a timeless design, practical features, and a reliable build, making it a fantastic choice for those looking for a simple yet functional everyday watch. Final verdict: should you buy it? If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-read, and well-built watch, the Timex Men's Easy Reader is a solid choice. It excels in readability, has a comfortable stainless steel expansion band, and includes the handy Indiglo feature for nighttime visibility. While it may not have advanced features found in digital or smartwatches, its classic design and reliable performance make it a worthwhile purchase for anyone who values simplicity and elegance. For those interested in purchasing this watch, be sure to check out the link in the video description for potential discounts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.